Right, so second pair I want to talk about is Euro Pound. You can see the weekly time frame, you could argue it either way. You could argue it as this being the lower high, and then we're going to have a continuation back up to this sort of level. That's not valid anymore. I'll get rid of that. However, when you go down on the daily, we've got this upward sloping trend line here where price has been capped. We've got the daily 50 EMA just here, and then if we do the Fibonacci from the high to the low, we can see that price is currently around 382. If we could get a daily close, it's not really going to happen, but if we had a daily close, you know, nice high test, close here, rejecting this key level and the daily 50 along with these Fibonacci levels, I'd enter. But for me to be interested in this now, I'll need a break of this trend line. So if we go down to the intradays, just run this up, got the 4-hour 50 EMA. So depending on how far down this 4-hour 50 is would depend on my entry. If prices say here, well, if we say prices here, the EMA should be here. So what I'll do is I'd wait for a break of that 50 EMA, and then I'd look for the retest. So if I draw that in again, we're looking for price to come and break, but then we're looking for the retest, and then this is when we'd enter the trade. The trade would actually be targeting key level 0.87, which should line up with the 1.2 Fibonacci target. If we go back down to the 4-hour here, so that 50 EMA, we'd want that just to come round, so a retest of that. It's a pretty simple trade. I'd like to see some sort of nice price action on this as well, and equally when this move happens, we'll be able to put another Fibonacci in here, so high to the low, and then we might be able to see what it would be here would be 382, so a rejection of maybe 382, and that would just be another confluence. Hope that makes sense. Any questions, just DM me on Instagram.